Hello students, today we start paper solution. First paper, that is last year paper, that is October-November 2019. In that we have to learn the questions from this chapter, that is measures of central tendency. First question, that is find geometric mean of 3, 6, 24 and 48. Now first we understand what is geometric mean, right? Now geometric mean is like this. Its short form is GM, and the formula is square root of x1 into x2 into dot 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 xn and nth root. मीन्स व्हाट, आपको याद क्या रखना है ज्योमेट्रिक मीन में कि जितने भी टर्म्स का आप लोग मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर रहे हो उतना रूट लेना है. ओवर हियर हाउ मेनी टर्म्स, nth term, so nth root. If you are having 3 terms, then you have to take cube root. If you are having 4 terms, then you have to take 4th root, right? Now over here these are our observations, right? So 3 into 6 into 24 into 48, right? How many terms? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to take what? 4th root. Now 4th root, how to find 4th root? So we factorize all this, right? 3, 6 means 3 into 2, 24 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right? Okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now we factorize 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48. 4th root. नाउ अगर आपके पास स्क्वायर रूट हो तो स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर 4th रूट है, कितना है? 4th रूट. अब अगर आपको 2 स्क्वायर और उसका स्क्वायर रूट हो तो स्क्वायर रूट एंड स्क्वायर निकल जाता है, राइट ना? तो क्या रहता है? 2. तो यहाँ पर सेम थिंग, कौन सा रूट है? 4th रूट है. तो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट ऑल दिस इन द पावर 4. तो 4th रूट दैट इज 3 1 2 3 4. 3 is how many times? 4 times. Into 2 is 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 raised to 4. Into 2 is another 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Now power 4 as well as 4th root cancel. Remaining what? 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. So this is our answer. In short, geometric mean में आपको क्या याद रखना है? जितने टर्म्स भी हो उतना मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके उतना रूट लेना है. 3 होगा तो क्यूब रूट, 4 होगा तो 4th रूट, 5 होगा तो 5th रूट, राइट? ऐसे आपको ज्योमेट्रिक मीन फाइंड करना है, राइट? दिस इज 2 marks क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी मार्क्स क्वेश्चन? दिस इज फॉर 2 marks. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेकेंड. नाउ इन सेकेंड वन we want to find, means compute median for the following data. We have to find what? Median. This is what? Individual series. Which series? Individual series, right? And for individual series we want to find median, right? So first we are doing what? Convert all the observations either in ascending or descending order. Generally we prefer what? Ascending order, right? So in ascending order first we have to write smallest, that is 4. Next 5 5 2 times है. Next 6. Next 7 8 9 10 10 also 2 times. Next 11 12 and 15. So this is our ascending order. Next we calculate number of observations, right? That is n. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total number of observations are what? 12. 12 means what? Even. Then our formula is median m is equals to what? If n is even, then n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by what? 2. Now n means what? Number of observations, that is what? 12. So 12 by 2 observation 12 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. Now 12 by 2 means what? 6th observation plus 6 plus 1, that is 12 by 2 means 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7th observation divided by 2. Now over here 6th observation, that we have to see in ascending order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 6th observation is 8 and plus 7th observation. 7th observation is what? 9. So 8 plus 9 divided by 2. 8 plus 9, 17 by 2. The answer is what? 8.5. So this is the answer of our what? Median. Okay. Let's we take third question. About two question are 2 marks. This question is for what? 7 marks. Over here, mean of the following frequency distribution is 18.1. Mean is given. Find the missing frequency. Right? Over here, this is our class and this is our frequencies. But in that frequency, there is one question mark. That is our missing frequency. So first we assume missing frequency. Right? So let X be missing frequency. X be what? Missing frequency. Over here we write what? X. Right? So now mean is given. So we are using the formula of what? Mean. Right? So in mean, first we have to find what? Middle value of the class. That is what? Xi. Right now. So Xi means middle value of the class. So 5, 10. Right? 5 plus 10, 15. 15 by 2 तो 7.5. 5 का गैप है तो ऐड करते जाएंगे. 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5 and 32.5. Next we have to find, that is di. di is equals to xi minus a upon c. चलो assuming कौन सा ले ले? सेंटर में ले ले, कोई भी ले सकते हैं ऐसा. तो this is our assuming, that is 17.5 and class length कितनी है? 5. गैप 5 का है ना, तो that is in denominator. जो assuming लिया है that is 0, -1, -2, 1, 2 and 3. Right? Next we have to find fi into di. Right? So now fi di. This is our fi. Frequency means what? Fi. And this is our dy. 11 into -2 minus 22, 20 into -1 minus 20, 35 into 0, 0, 20 into 1, 20, x into 2, 2x, 6 3s are 18. So now we have to make addition. First we have to make addition of frequency. Frequency no total થશે અહીંયા 92 plus x. Second fi di. Addition of what? fi into di. The total is 20 20 cancel. 2x as it is. And minus 22 plus 18 तो minus 4. Now mean x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi into c. चलो mean is given. Right now mean is what? 18.1. Assume mean is 17.5 plus sigma fi di 2x minus 4. Sigma fi that is 92 plus x and class length that is 5. Now 17.5 right side से left side लेके आते हैं तो 18.1 minus 17.5 is equals to 2x minus 4 upon 92 plus x into 5. Right? Now 18.1 minus 17.5 तो आंसर रहेगा 0.6. कितना रहेगा? 0.6 is equals to 2x minus 4 upon 92 plus x into 5. अब ये जो 5 है यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, इस साइड आएगा तो कहाँ जाएगा? डिवीजन में. राइट? तो 0.6 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 2x minus 4 upon 92 plus x. 0.6 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करो तो आंसर आएगा, या तो ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, जो पॉइंट निकाल दो तो 6 by 10 आता है, तो 10 into 5 तो 50. 6 by 50 is equals to 2x minus 4 92 plus x. अब यहां से कट करें तो 3 2 6. नेक्स्ट 25 2s are 50, right? Now क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 3 into 92, चलो लिखते हैं स्टेप 3 by 25 is equals to 2x minus 4 92 plus x. Now over here 92 into 3, तो 3 2s are 6, 9 3s are 27 plus 3x is equals to 25 into 2 50x minus 25 into 4 that is 100. अब ये 3x उस साइड लेके जाते हैं, 100 इस साइड लेके आएंगे, तो 276 प्लस 100 तो 376 एंड 50x माइनस 3x, 50x माइनस 3x, तो 376 इज इक्वल्स टू 47x, तो x इज इक्वल्स टू 376 डिवाइडेड बाय 47, राइट? तो 376 डिवाइडेड बाय 47 करोगे तो x का आंसर क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 8. तो देयरफॉर द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी इज व्हाट 8, right? So this is the 7 marks question they are asking in last year question paper.